guys, welcome to My World, My Toys at Jaelynn and Mommy.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
And today we're doing story time with Jaelynn.
And Mommy, can I show them my DJ?
Go ahead.
DJ. DJ. DJ.
Oh,
DJ.
oh.
I'll put some headphones.
Ooh.
I'll put some headphones.
Ooh.
I'll put some reindeer.
Ooh.
Put them right
Ooh. Okay, story time. So the book we're going to read today is Bear About Town. Okay, so this
Mommy.
is the bear that the story is about.
Mommy, I can see your eyes.
I can see your eyes. Okay, back to the book, girl. So this is the bear right here, and
He has some flowers, some bread.
is that bread? Oh, he went shopping, so he went to grocery store, and he also went to the flower shop. Let's get into the book and see what it's about.
And there's some tower kids.
Yeah, let's see what the book is about. Oh, Bear About
Mommy,
Town.
Mommy, let's show them.
Okay, Bear About
About
Town. And this book is written by Stella Blackstone.
Mommy, wait, give me that star one.
Wait. So let's start. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is 2 pages that's in one. Bear goes to town every day. Oh, look, this is Bear. Bear is going to town. Look at him with his grocery basket.
And look at his house.
Look at his house with his beautiful flowers. Ooh.
His flower is so big.
Yeah, nice. Nice, Bear.
Yeah, and
So Bear has a very beautiful house. Okay, let's move on.
move on.
So
Let me can I show
this
them?
book is for another day, baby. He likes to walk all the
The
way. Look, he's walking all the way, Mommy.
Let's show
Look.
them.
Yeah. Look, he's passing up other houses and stuff. Look at the baby carriage.
And look at the dog.
Wow. Look
He's
at the
a-
dog
And look at him looking at the window.
looking out the window.
And he has nothing in his basket.
Yes.
You have to go shopping.
Okay. On Monday, he goes to the bakery. Woo! So this is Bear going to the bakery on a Monday.
Grandma bakery.
Grandma's bakery. Good job, Mommy.
Just like our grandma can cook.
Yes, just like our grandma can cook. Good. Or your grandma can cook and my mother can cook.
That can cook.
And on Tuesday, he goes for a swim. Splash alley pool. Look.
What? He goes to a swim with his pajamas.
Is that a pajama or a swimsuit? You say it's a pajama, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And everybody else is wearing pajama.
They're wearing pajamas?
Yeah.
So this is a swim sleep party? Okay, let's move on. On Wednesday, he watches a movie.
like that dude is saying, you can't come in.
You can't come in. He has the keys. He has the key to open the door for the movie.
They're not going to come in there. It's locked.
Yeah, but they're in line waiting to get inside. Look, it's raining. They all have their umbrellas. Look at them. And it's raining. And this bear over here.
Mommy, that dude is going to step in mud.
Wow. That's a pile of water. A pool of water, rather.
And that dude is almost stepping in the mud, too.
Yeah. Okay, so he's going to open the door and let them in. Let's see what they do on Thursday. What bear?
Park.
Let's see what bear does.
Do exercise.
Oh, he does. On Thursday, he visits the gym.
Mommy, look.
Wow, he's blowing out. Look, guys. So he's at the gym and he's lifting his weights. And look, he's blowing out because the weights are heavy and he's trying to push them down. And look at this one doing some strength. This one is on the bicycle. Look at this one up here.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look. That one has the same thing like it.
Yeah.
And mommy, look, he's blowing.
Yeah, because he's running on the treadmill. Okay, let's see what he does on Friday. On Friday, he goes to the toy shop.
Mommy!
Toy shop?
Daddy's toy shop.
Tip Top Toy Shop.
Oh.
But Daddy looks like Daddy Bear is selling toys. Wow.
Mommy, look. That looks like him with his grandma.
Does look like him with his grandma? I think that's Toy Bears. So he's buying toys. Look at this. What is this called?
Top.
A top. Good job. And he has other dolls and stuff at the toy store that he's trying to pick out. Look at him.
Mommy.
But guess what? We have our own bear, don't we?
Yeah.
I have my bear right here. I have my bear.
I have my bear right here. I have my bear.
Ooh, bear hug. Bear hug. Bear hug.
Mommy, wait.
Bear hug.
Mommy, wait. This? Bear.
Are you trying to fight my bear?
Kick you.
That's
Kick
not
you.
very
Kick
nice.
you.
No.
Bear.
That's not very nice. You grow up with big boys.
Superhero.
Okay, let's see what he does
Mommy.
on Saturdays. Okay.
He's flying.
All right. Can we put away the beer stuff? Thank you, Jaelynn. All right. So on Saturday, he strolls through the park. Wow. So he's going to have like a picnic at the park. Or he's going to read a book. See, he has his doll bear in his bag and a ball and a book. And he's eating ice cream.
And
He's going to, and his mat to lay down.
And it has dog and dog.
Yeah, he's going to the sunny park.
And
Look,
bear.
guys, let's show them. Look, guys, so he's going to the park with his bag, and he has a toy bear
Mommy, but
and a
you
ball.
You didn't show them they're raining and going to the toy shop.
Yeah, I did.
No?
And he's eating ice cream, and they're having fun at the park. Ooh. Oh, and on Sunday, he goes to the playground. So look at him at the playground on Sunday. Somebody's playing in the sand pit. Someone is swinging.
Mommy,
Look at the slide.
Mommy, he wanted to play with that dude because he was alone.
Yeah, he was alone, so he wanted to play with him. He wants to be his friend.
Yeah.
Look at this one coming down the
Mommy.
slide. You love the slides, Mommy.
Yeah, and Mommy, look. Mommy, look. That is peeking.
Huh?
He's peeking.
He's peeking.
Yeah.
He's behind here. Oh, he's like, I want to go on the slide too, but I'm scared.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared? Don't be scared like a bear. You can go on the slide too. Okay, let's see what happens next.
Ooh, wait.
And plays with his friends until dark.
Ooh.
So he went to the park and he played with his friends until dark.
Mama, why is he hanging on?
Yeah, because they're pushing the thing and they're swinging. Look, guys. So they're on the spin. I'm not sure what this is called, but they're swinging and they're pushing it around and around and around. And the faster it goes, the more fun they'll have. So that's why they're running.
Yeah. And they're holding on
Yeah, they're holding
to
on.
each other.
Yes.
And they want to hop on. And even the dog is going around.
Yeah, the dog is excited too. He's running. Woohoo! Look at that.
Dog is, Mommy.
I hope you guys enjoy the reading.
Mommy, wait. If you turn it like this,
Mm-hmm.
if you turn it like this, the dog is going for pear.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait,
Let's see what else, guys.
the end.
It's the end? Let's see. One
Yeah.
more. There's one more right here.
Wait, I can.
Oh, it's showing you the streets. So these are the houses, the hotels, the restaurants, and
The
everything at the back of this book.
Mommy, no.
There's another one. Ooh.
Look.
Okay.
No. Read these sides.
There's nothing here to really read. I have stars and moons. And the bear is looking up at the star and the moon. Look at him.
Oh, mommy, look.
Okay, and on this side we do have some bread, some cupcakes. We have a swim trunks that Jaelynn thought was a pajama, and is swimming. What is this called? Swimming ring.
Swimming ring.
Lifeguard something for him not to drown.
No, swimming guard so you don't sink.
You don't sink. Okay, good deal. And we have the top. You see the top? And Mr. Bear right there. Yay! And look at this. Looks like pancake.
Wait.
Is this a pancake or a pie? Oh no, this is the swing stuff.
No, that's not a swing.
This is the swing, but this is the one they were running around and around and around on. This one.
Yeah, the western.
And these are the trees for the
And these are
park.
top exercise swimming pajama.
Okay. Okay, the end. I hope you guys enjoyed our reading.
And love get hard stuff.
And I hope if you like, you put a
Heart.
you give us a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you like. And we will come with our reading again when?
Tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, guys.